Hello everyone, in this video, we will present you with the first exclusive photos of Tesla's Supercharger V4. The images have started to appear on social media, and we will give you an overview of these stations, the problems they solve, as well as the reactions of internet users. A few weeks ago, we informed you about the plans for the Supercharger V4 stations. Today, we can confirm that the station that has just opened in the Netherlands is exactly following the designs. The Supercharger V4 offers significant improvements over its predecessors, including longer cables that facilitate charging for Tesla vehicles such as the Cybertruck and electric vehicles from other brands. The advantages of this design include improved aesthetics, making them visually appealing in their environment, as well as longer cables that facilitate charging for different types of electric vehicles, including those with non-standard charge ports. However, the current design does not seem to include a cable management system, which can cause contact with the ground during use and potentially lead to wear and tear or cleanliness issues. Additionally, longer cables could also increase congestion in the parking space, especially when multiple vehicles are charging simultaneously. The Supercharger V4 represents a major advancement in electric vehicle charging infrastructure, demonstrating Tesla's commitment to constantly improving its products and services. The charging power of the Supercharger V4 is currently announced at 250 kilowatts, rather than the expected 350 kilowatts. By opting for a 250 kilowatts charging power, Tesla facilitates the installation and commissioning of Supercharger V4 in a greater number of sites, avoiding overloading local power networks and reducing the costs and delays associated with upgrading infrastructure. This approach allows Tesla to deploy its network of superchargers more quickly and efficiently, improving accessibility and convenience for electric vehicle drivers. Internet users have reacted positively to the Supercharger V4, especially regarding the longer cables that allow for better accessibility and facilitate charging for electric vehicles, including those with non-standard charge ports or larger vehicles such as the Cybertruck. In conclusion, Tesla's Supercharger V4 offers many advantages, such as improved design, longer cables, and better accessibility for various types of electric vehicles. However, to maximize the use of this charging infrastructure, collaboration and partnerships between Tesla and other automakers could be beneficial.